now that will pay you 75, 80, 85, 90, 100% commission, okay, for doing nothing. Literally just sending people to their site. As a matter of fact, I'll give you URLs to sites that will pay you for no credit card even needed, meaning you can promote stuff where if people just put their zip code in, you get paid. If people put their email address in, you get paid. It doesn't get any better than that. All right, so that's coming up. And then secret number 3, 1,000 people a day. I'm going to show you about a place where you can invest about 20 minutes a day and get 1,000 email subscribers a day. Look, let's go right in. Are you guys ready to take notes? Get it out. Come on, get your notepads out. No website needed. Building a website eats up your time and money without producing enough results. So I want you to create this instead. I'm going to show you an example. Because by creating this, you're going to increase your results by 2,400%. Okay? And you're going to literally watch leads and money pouring in. If you're trying to build an email-based business, a website is your enemy. It's like your silent enemy. Okay? Why you should completely ditch the website. Here we go. First of all, it takes a lot of time to create, costs a lot of money, and has a lot of moving parts that can break down completely. And most importantly, it kills your conversion. So check this out. Let me prove it to you. Look, I have no problem with e-commerce. By the way, e-commerce is an amazing model. It's something we teach at Learn as well, but it's a completely different type of model. And it's a different type of timeline to get there. And it's a different type of business, and it's got its own thing. But everyone who does e-commerce, no one would ever argue with me on this one thing. When you have an e-com driven business, the best conversion rate you can ever choose to get, you can ever possibly get, is 1 to 2%. That's the best. That's the best you're going to get, okay? 1 to 2%. What the heck happens to the 98, 99 other people you paid to get to your website? They just bounce off. That sucks. It sucks. Okay, here's what it is. It's something in consumer psychology known as choice overload, okay? I want you to really listen to this case study because it blew my mind. It was so amazing, but it proves to you why you don't need a website. Actually, all that complicated coding and tech only hurts you. You just need simplification. So I'm going to read this to you, okay? It all began with the jam. In 2000, psychologists Sheena and Mark published a remarkable study. On one day, shoppers at an upscale food market saw a table display with 24 varieties of gourmet jam. Okay, so you're the store, there's a display in front of you, 24. Those who sampled the spreads received a coupon for $1 off any jam. On another day, okay, so there you go. You had 24 out on the table. Everybody who sampled got a $1 off coupon. Got it. Now, day number 2. The shoppers saw a similar table, except there was only 6 varieties of the jam on display. So we went from 24 now down to 6 only. The large display attracted more interest than the small one. But when time came to purchasing, people who saw the large display, you guys got to read this. This is crazy, okay? So day 1, when you had 24 varieties, those people who saw the 24 were 1/10 as likely to buy as those who saw the small display. Can you believe that? That means there's a 10x increase of your probability of getting action out of a customer if you show them less. So, did anyone just have a wow moment? Type in wow if you just had a moment where you're like, okay, I needed to hear that. You needed to hear basically choice overload. Yeah, lots of people typing in wow. So you only need a landing page. You don't need a website. You need a landing page. So where does a landing page fit into the system I've been sharing with you? Okay, traffic, which we're going to talk about in a few minutes, goes to this website, but I call it a one-page website. It's one page. This is where your landing page fits, and then the rest of it bleeds in over. Here's an example. Unlike the website, a landing page has only one option. Click the button, sign up. That's why the conversion rates for pages like this one are 50 to 70%. Listen, this is a good page. I know it ain't pretty. It's not brand heavy. Who cares? This page right here, can I tell you, I know this page. I've tested many, many, many pages that look like this one. Guarantee it's going to convert between 60 to 70%. I just want you to think back. Now, when we had a full-blown, complicated, technology-driven website, we were going to get 1 to 2% conversion. Now I'm getting 70% potentially, right? And they're so easy to create and require zero technology, zero coding. Look at this page. This is one of our own.